Good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. These are the free coaching classes for SSC, Tsrjc, and Polycet exams 2025. Right? So today we have our biology session, and today's topic is heredity. Okay, students. So we will be doing the questions related to the topic heredity. As you know the rules, you will get 20 seconds to answer one question, okay? And all the answers you have to write in the chat box. In case if you have any problem related to any topic, you can also write there in the chat box. I'll explain you that topic, okay? Okay, I hope everyone is ready. All right, students, let's start the session with the first question. First question is, wing of bird and wing of bat are the examples for. And your options are number 1, homologous organs, number 2, analogous organs, number 3, vestigial organs, or is it option number 4, none of these? Quick students, start writing your answers in the chat box. Wing of bird and wing of bat are examples for homologous organs, analogous organs, vestigial organs, or none of these. Okay, I'm revealing the correct answer, students. The correct answer for this question is option number 2, analogous organs. Sarvanti, you were correct. I don't know why you have deleted your answer, but you were correct. Okay, students, those who have selected option 2, you all are correct. This wing of bird and wing of bat are examples of analogous organs. Okay. Next question. Dash are evidences of ancient life forms. And your options are number 1, homologous organs. Option number 2, analogous organs. Option number 3, fossils. Or is it option number 4, vestigial organs? Hurry up, students. You will get only 20 seconds for every answer. Dash are evidences of ancient life forms, homologous organs, analogous organs, fossils, or vestigial organs. Okay. All right, students, I'm revealing the correct answer. The option number 3 is the right answer, fossils. Harika and Vinay, you both are correct. Well done, students. Next question. The study of development of an organism from egg to adult stage is called dash. And your options are number 1, embryology, option number 2, paleontology, option number 3, geology, or is it option number 4, zoology? Okay, or zoology. The correct pronunciation is zoology. Okay. So the study and development of an organism from egg to adult stage is called what? Embryology, paleontology, geology, or zoology? Hurry up, students. I want every one of you to answer. I can see maximum of you are replying. This is so impressive. Yes. Excellent, students. Excellent. Chandu, Sarvanti, Harika, you all are correct, students. The correct answer for this question is option number 1, embryology. Well done. Okay, next question we have. The study of fossils is called dash. And your options are number 1, fossilology. Option number 2, paleontology. Option number 3, ecology. or is it option number 4 and not to me? Study of fossils is called dash. Fossiliology, paleontology, ecology, or anatomy. Let me see how many of you are right for this question. Hurry up, you have very limited time. Okay. All right, revealing the correct answer, that is option number 2, paleontology. Okay, not fossilology. Okay, don't go on the name. The correct answer is paleontology. Those who have selected option number 2, you are right, students. Uh, I won't be able to take everyone's name, but the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Those who have selected option 2, you all are correct, students. Well done. Okay, next question we have. Paleontologists determine the age of fossil using, and your options are number 1, hydrogen dating, option number 2, nitrogen dating, option number 3, oxygen dating, or is it option number 4, carbon dating? Okay, the correct answer for this question is carbon dating. All right, students? Not only paleontologists, but everyone, whether it's zoologist or geologist, they all use this method to find out the age of any fossil. That is carbon dating. Okay? So the carbon dating is the right answer. Yes, Vaishnavi, Chandu, Sanjana, Sarvanti, you all are correct, students. Well done. Excellent. So impressive. Responses are there in the chat box. Keep doing like this, students. Maintain this energy in the entire class. All right? Okay. Next question we have. Fossils of the dinosaurs, Catosaurus, are collected from this district in Telangana. And your options are number 1, Mehboob Nagar district. Option number 2, Adilabad district. Option number 3, Medak district. Or is it option number 4, Karimnagar district? Fossils of the dinosaur Catosaurus are collected from this district in Telangana, Mehboob Adilabad, Medak, or Karimnagar district. Hurry up, students. Okay. All right. I'm revealing the correct answer, students. Okay, I'm telling you, those who have selected option 3 and those who have, option 2 and those who have selected option number 4, they both are correct. Okay, the exact answer for this question will be Karimnagar district, as per according to your book. Okay, but if you look at the other sources, the correct answer is Adilabad district. But both are correct. Why? Because the fossils are found on the borders of Karimnagar district and Adilabad district. Okay. So if you have in the exam this question, so firstly you will mark as option 4 Karimnagar district. And if you do not have this option, then the correct answer will be Adilabad district. Okay. So those who have selected Karimnagar district, you are also correct. Understood? I hope the confusion is clear to everyone, students. Yes? There are two right answers for this question, but the most appropriate one is Karimnagar district. Okay? Next question. Early man-like forms appeared about dash years ago. And your options are number one, 7 point, not 7 point, this should be 7,50,000. Okay. Number two, 2,50,000. Option number three, 1,50,000. Or is it option number four, 50,000? Early man-like forms appeared about dash years ago. 7,50,000, 2,50,000, 1,50,000, or only 50,000 years. Rehab students, there is a dilemma in this also. I'll tell you that as well. Okay. All right, students. So the correct answer for this question is option number four, 50,000 years. Okay. Not 7 lakh. Oh, this is a mistake in the PPT. The correct answer for this question is option number four, 50,000 years ago. Okay, students. Actually, if the question is like this and there is another option saying 3 lakh or 2 to 3 lakh years ago. Okay, understand this point, students. Early man forms appeared about 2 to 3 lakhs years ago, but they did not have one specific thing that they did not develop any language capacity. Okay, so there was no communication. Proper communication was missing. Those in those man which were looking like early man, but they were not actually early man. 50,000 years ago, the animals, or you can say early man like forms, or you can say apes, they were there. They had proper language and communication skill as well. So, uh, they are considered as early man like forms. Okay, understood? They had that brain development, they settled themselves. Okay, and they had language also, proper communication was there. That is why the correct answer will be 50,000. But if in exam this option is missing, 50,000, and there is an option 2 lakh to 3 lakh, the correct answer will be 2 lakh to 3 lakh. Understood? I hope this point is clear to everyone. Okay, moving ahead, students. Homo sapiens appeared about dash years ago, and the correct your options are 1.8 million, 40,000, 3 lakh, or 2.5 million. Homo sapiens appeared about dash years ago, 1.8 million, 40,000, 3 lakh, or 2.5 million. Quick, students. Okay, as I can see, okay, students, revealing the correct answer for this question, that is option number three, 3 lakh. Okay, not 2.5 million, but 3 lakh years ago, Homo sapiens appeared. Okay, next question. Homo sapiens came from this continent. And your options are option number one, America, option number two, Asia, option number three, Africa, or is it option number four, Australia? Homo sapiens came from this continent, America, Asia, Africa, or Australia. What will be the correct answer, students? Now, this question is very easy. Okay. All right. The correct answer for this question is Africa, option number three. Okay. Those who have selected option three, you all are correct, students. Vinay is there, Kanna, Aksa, Sarvanti, you all are correct, students. The correct answer is option number three, Africa. Okay. Next question. Organs which are not useful in animal are called dash. And your options are number one, homologous organs. Option number two, analogous organs. Option number three, vestigial organs. Or is it option number four, digestive organs? Organs which are not useful in animal are called homologous organs, analogous organs, vestigial organs, or digestive organs. Which one is the right answer, students? Again, this question is also very easy. Okay, excellent, excellent, students. Well done. I can see everyone has replied the correct answer. That is option number three, vestigial organs. Well done, students. Maintain this energy. I want this energy in the entire class. Okay. So vestigial organ is the right answer. Every one of you are right. Well done. Okay, next question. There are nearly dash vestigial organs in human beings. And your options are number one, 110, option number two, 1, option number three, 180, or is it option number four, 7? There are nearly dash vestigial organs in human beings, 110, 1, 180, or 7. Okay. Yes, students, those who have selected option number 3, 180, you are correct. Well done. Ramcharan, Chandu, and Lokesh, Sanjana, you all are correct, students. The correct answer is 180. Well done. Next question. Which of the following is not a vestigial organ in human beings? And your options are number one, pinna, option number two, hair or skin, option number three, thumb, or is it option number four, appendix? Which of the following is not a vestigial organ in human beings? Pinna, hair or skin, thumb, or appendix? Focus on the question, students. What is being asked? The question is saying not a vestigial organ. Yes, Sanjana and Aksa, you both are correct. Neha, you are also correct. The correct answer is thumb. Thumb is not a vestigial organ. Okay. Pinna, hair and skin, and appendix, they all are vestigial organs. Well done. Next question. The process of acquiring change is, and your options are number one, adaptation, option number two, evolution, option number three, heredity, or is it option number four, mutation? The process of acquiring change is adaptation, evolution, heredity, or mutation. All right. Okay. I'm so glad to see the responses. Almost everyone is correct. The correct answer is option number two, evolution. Well done, students. I cannot take everyone's name. Uh, they are, sliding very fast. But yes, Lokesh, Aksa, Neha, Jyoti, Chandu, Sanjana, Harika, you all are correct. The correct answer is evolution. Well done, students. Okay, next question we have Mendel experiment stands for, and your options are number one, heredity, option number two, variations, option number three, evolution, or is it option number four, mutation? Mendel experiment stands for heredity, variation, evolution, or mutation. I think you all know this answer. Okay, so the correct answer for this question will be option number one, heredity. Okay, those who have selected heredity, you all are correct, students. Moving ahead, the four characters observed in the experiments on law of independent assortment are, and your options are number one, round and yellow, option number two, wrinkled and green, option number three, wrinkled and yellow, or is it option number four, one and two only? The four characters observed in the experiments on law of independent assortment are round and yellow, wrinkled and green, wrinkled and yellow, or one and two only. Everyone should know this answer. Hurry up, students. I want everyone to answer. Focus on the question. The question itself has the answer. Alright, revealing the correct answer, that is option number four, one and two only. Kanna, Ramcharan, uh, Kirtana, Harika, Sagar, Jyoti, you all are correct. Lokesh, you are also correct. See, the question is itself is saying four characters. Okay, four characters means round and yellow were selected. These are two characters. Wrinkled and green, these are two characters. Right? Again, wrinkled and yellow cannot be there. Why? Because round and yellow already we have taken. Right? So if we take these two, there will be only three characters, wrinkled and green, and wrinkled and yellow. Only three characters. Wrinkled we have already taken. So 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Next question. Capital T or capital Y. Then capital T small t or capital Y small y are responsible for which character? And your options are number 1 recessive, option number 2 aggressive, option number 3 dominant, or is it option number 4 independent? Those who have done Mendel's experiment very well, they all must be knowing this answer. This is again very easy question. The alleles are there. You have to tell whether they are recessive, aggressive, dominant, or independent. Okay. The correct answer for this question is option number 3, dominant. Well done, students. Those who have selected option 3, dominant. For recessive, they both are always small letters. It will be small t, or it will be small y. If there is any capital with one small letter, then too it is termed as dominant character. Okay? Dominant hybrid character. Next question. Female baby having 23 pairs of autosomes at the age of 18 months has how many pairs of autosomes and allosome or sex chromosome? And your options are number 1, 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes. Option number 2, 20 pairs of autosomes and 3 pairs of sex chromosomes. Option number 3, 22 pairs of sex chromosomes and 1 pair of autosomes. Option number 4, 20 pairs of sex chromosome and 3 pairs of autosomes. Read the question thoroughly and then write your answers. These type of questions are asked many times in the exam, students. Okay, these are logical questions. Logical as well as factual questions. Excellent, students, excellent. Maximum of you have written the correct answer. That is option number 1, 22 pairs of autosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosome. Option number 1 is the right answer, students. Well done. Next question. The progression in population growth is, and your options are number 1, geometrical, option number 2, arithmetic, option number 3, mathematical, or is it option number 4, none of the above? Progression in population growth is geometrical, arithmetic, mathematical, or none of the above? Okay. All right. Revealing the correct answer, that is option number 1, geometrical, not option number 4, students. The progression in population growth is geometrical. Okay, geometrical is the right answer for this question, students. Next question. The progression in food source growth is, and your options are number 1, geometrical, option number 2, arithmetic, option number 3, mathematical, or is it option number 4, none of the above? Yep, students. The progression in food source growth is geometrical, arithmetic, mathematical, or none of the above. Okay, students, revealing the correct answer, that is option number 2. Arithmetic is the right answer. Vinay, Harshit Sagar, and Kanna. Harika, you are right, students. The correct answer is progression in food source growth is arithmetic. Okay, next question. A goat which walks properly cannot live for a long time. According to Darwin, this represents, and your options are number 1, natural selection, option number 2, inheritance of acquired characters, option number 3, survival of the fittest, or is it option number 4, all the above? A goat which walks properly cannot live for a long time. According to Darwin, this represents natural selection, inheritance of acquired characters, survival of the fittest, or all the above. Hurry up, students. Yes, students, you all are correct. Those who have selected option number 3, survival of the fittest. Okay, there are many who have selected option 3. You all are correct, students. I won't be able to take everyone's name, but Vaishnavi, Harika, Vinay, Jyoti, and many more are there. Okay, next question we have. Forelimb of whale is for swimming, whereas in horse it is used for. And your options are number 1, running, option number 2, walking, option number 3, jumping, or is it option number 4, all the above? Forelimb of whale is for swimming, whereas in horse it is used for running, walking, jumping, or all the above. Hurry up, students. You have a very limited time. Okay, the correct answer is running. Okay, or you can say all the above, but no, not all the above. Why? Because jumping is not suitable for horse. The correct answer will be running. Option number 1. Next question. Variations are, and your options are number 1, differences in characters within very closely related groups of organisms. Number 2, similarities in characters within very closely related groups of organisms. Option number 3, differences of characters within non-related groups of organisms. Option number 4, similarities in characters within non-related groups of organisms. Read the options thoroughly and then answer the question, students. Variations are what? Differences in characters within very closely related groups of organisms, similarities in characters within very closely related groups of organisms, Differences of characters within non-related groups of organisms, or is it number 4, similarities in characters within non-related groups of organisms? Okay, maximum of you are saying 2 and 1. There is a dilemma between 1 and 2. So I'm revealing the correct answer. The correct answer is option number 1. Differences in characters within very closely related groups of organisms is termed as variation. Okay, those who have selected 1, you are right. Sanjana, Sarvanti, Vinay, Jyoti, Harshit, Chandu, Harika, you all are correct students. Next question. When a pure yellow seed plant crosses with a pure seed plant in F1 generation, all the seeds are. And your options are number 1 yellow, option number 2 green, option number 3 mixed color seeds, or is it option number 4 75% yellow, 25% green? Here will be pure green seed plant. Okay. There is a mistake over here. There will be green seed plant. Pure yellow. Let's take for this. This is pure yellow and this is pure green. Okay. What will happen? There will be two gametes from here, pure in pure form, two gametes from here as well in pure form. In F1 generation, what they will form, students? Let's take one gamete. Okay. In F1 generation, they will form capital Y, small y. Right? So the correct answer will be yellow. Yellow why? This is dominant, yellow color. So the correct answer is yellow color. Okay. Those who have selected yellow, they are right. F generation, here we are talking about F generation. So the correct answer will be yellow. Okay, next question. Identify the genotype ratio of monohybrid cross. Students, you have to write genotype ratio of monohybrid cross. Hurry up, students. You have very limited time, students. Come on, quick. Okay, revealing the correct answer, that is option number 2, 1 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, students, option number 1, 3 is to 1 will not be the right answer because that is phenotypic ratio. And here we are asking about monohybrid cross. So the correct answer will be 1 is to 2 is to 1. In dihybrid cross, the ratio is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Understood? Next question. The factor which expresses itself in F1 generation is, and your options are number 1 recessive, option number 2 expressive, option number 3 dominant, or is it option number 4 all the above? Factor which expresses itself in F1 generation is dominant. Okay. The correct answer for this question is dominant. Option 3 is the right answer, students. Those who have selected 3, you all are right. Okay. All right, students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all enjoyed the class, and we will meet super soon in the next class with new upcoming topics. Till then, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe our channel, that is Jatadhara Educational Technology or JET program. Okay.